Have you ever wondered how to make Sel Roti? I completed my master's in food science in 2005 with my research thesis titled Effective Ingredients and Particle Size on Bulk Density and Oil Uptake of Sel Roti. This is most likely the first scientific research study conducted on Sel Roti. Sel Roti is not just a crispy, ring-shaped rice delicacy, it is a symbol of our culture, festivals, and memories. Made mainly from rice flour, Sel Roti has been enjoyed by Nepalese families for generations during Tihar, Maghe Sangranti, and many religious ceremonies. Every family has its own recipe and secret technique. Today, I am taking you into our kitchen to share how we make traditional Sel Roti at home, with very little dairy fat, but with the same authentic taste, texture, and love. The first step in making traditional Sel Roti starts with preparing the rice. We soak rice overnight in normal water along with a small amount of fenugreek seeds. At our home, we prefer using long-grain basmati rice, but short-grain rice can also be used. After soaking, the rice is ground into a smooth mixture. However, the key is not to make it completely fine like a paste. A little texture is important. Small rice granules should remain, giving a unique feel and helping create the traditional Sel Roti texture after frying. Now comes the mixing and resting step, the secret behind good Sel Roti texture. For convenience and to save preparation time, we are using rice flour in this process. Traditionally, however, Sel Roti is prepared by soaking rice and grinding it at home. No need to add rice flour. First, mix the rice flour properly. Then add sugar and mix again until evenly distributed. Next, add ghee, dairy fat, about 8 tablespoons, approximately 100 grams, for around 100 Sel Rotis. Here we have bigger spoons, so using 4 spoons, and mix thoroughly. We add cardamom powder to enhance the flavor. This is our family's preferred choice, as the aroma and taste of cardamom add a special touch to Sel Roti. You also can add Nepalese cardamom or any other spice flavor based on your taste. After mixing all the ingredients, let the batter rest for at least 4 hours. This resting period allows complete hydration of the rice particles and proper blending of sugar and fat, which helps develop the traditional taste, texture, and crispiness of Sel Roti. Now it is time to check the consistency of the batter. Adjust the texture by adding a little warm water if it is too thick, or add more rice flour if it is too thin. Some families also add a small amount of wheat flour or semolina to modify the texture. The ideal Sel Roti batter should be smooth and easy-flowing, but not too thin. It should have enough thickness to hold its shape while pouring into hot oil, creating the perfect crispy outer layer and soft texture inside. Stirring helps incorporate a small amount of air into the batter, which contributes to a lighter texture and creates the characteristic pores and crispiness of traditional Sel Roti. It's a simple step that can make a noticeable difference in the final product. Now comes the most exciting step, frying the Sel Roti. Heat the pan with cooking oil until the oil is properly hot. Carefully pour the batter into the oil in a circular motion, creating the traditional ring shape. As the Sel Roti starts frying, it will slowly develop its crispy texture and golden brown color. Once one side reaches the desired brownish color, gently turn it over and fry the other side. Keep watching the color to achieve the perfect balance of crispiness and softness. And finally, the delicious, homemade Sel Roti is ready to enjoy.